Now, as you can see, we have multiple files open in Audacity right now. This is our actual podcast. This is our introduction. And down here is our music. So what I'm going to want to do is shrink these a little bit to make it easier to work with. So the first thing I'm going to do is to zoom out so I make sure I get everything on the window that I'm looking at. The other thing I'm going to do is hover my cursor over the gap and then hold it down and drag it. And as you can see, it will compress those files, so it'll make them a little easier to fit. Now what I want to do is make sure I have my sequence down correctly. I'm going to start off with my music, then I'm going to have my intro come in, and if you look up here, this tells you how many seconds in you are. So I'm going to wait until about 5 or 6 seconds, and I want to get the rest of my podcast to come in at about 12 seconds. I'm going to go back and begin listening to the music play. Then the intro starts, and I like what I hear. So what I'm going to do is go up to this tool and click on this. Now what this tool is going to help me do is fade the music down when the intro starts. So I'm going to want to click at the points and slow it down, lower it, and now I'm going to want to bring it back up again once the intro is over. Now I'm going to scroll over. This is the meat of my podcast, so I'm going to want to do the same thing. Once the music rises up again and it continues to play, then my podcast will actually start. So I want to make sure that I lower the volume down, and in fact I'm going to lower it just about all the way.